Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we will work on sort video files by name, length, size and duration. As in the previous tutorial we have created the menu item. You can see the menu item, video menu. We have created 3 items in video menu.xml file. First one for search view, second for refresh and third for sort video file. In this video we will work on sort video and refresh. In video files activity below on create option menu, we have to override one more method. On options item selected, above the supercall create shared preferences. Variable will be preferences. Get shared preferences my underscore pref comma mode private. Point on this red my pref, alt enter. First one, leave the text my pref. Now below here share preferences dot editor preferences dot edit, and here we have to get id. Int id is equal to item dot get item id. We will use switch case here. Switch pass id case r dot id dot refresh files. We will select the refresh files because we are refreshing the video files. Break. When user will select the first menu, that is refresh video files, we will finish activity first and start activity get intent. It will refresh the video files. Below refresh case r dot id dot sort by. If user click on sort by, we will show alert dialog that contains 4 radio buttons through which user can sort video by name, length, size or duration accordingly. Here we have to create alert dialog dot builder alert dialog. Pass context here. Context will be this. Now alert dialog dot set title. Title will be sort by. Alert dialog dot set positive button. Positive button will be OK. New dialog interface dot on click listener. When user will click on OK, we will hide the alert dialog. Now below the OK button, we will create a string variable of array type, name it as items. Here in curly bracket we will create the 4 items that we want to show in alert dialog. First one will be name parenthesis from A to Z comma. Second one will be size space in parenthesis from big to small comma in double quotes. Third one will be date space in parenthesis date from new to old comma, and fourth one will be according to length space in parenthesis long to short. Now below here alert dialog set single choice items. First parameter will be items, second -1 because we do not want any item to be selected as default. New dialog interface dot on click listener. If we write here 0, means we want the first item to be selected as default, but we do not want any item to be selected as default. That's why we select -1. Here we will create switch case, switch, pass here which, this variable which, Control Shift Enter, case 0, break, copy this, paste here, again paste here, again paste here, because we have 4 items. Second one will be 1, 2 and 3. Now if user select the first item, that is name, from A to Z, we will send the data through shared preferences, editor dot put string, double quotes, key will be sort, and the value that we want to send for name will be sort name. Now copy this line and paste it here. When user select the second option, that is size from big to small, we will send the value as sort size, paste here. Third option, that is date, value will be sort date, now paste here. And value will be sort length. We will keep the key as same in all the 4 items. Now below this alert dialog, dot create dot show. Now when user will click on OK after selecting any option in all of these 4 options, by clicking on OK we will apply the changes accordingly. Here in OK, click listener, editor dot apply, finish, and start activity, get intent, and after applying the changes, dialog dot dismiss. Now we have to work in fetch media method. Here fetch media method. In fetch media method, first of all we have to create shared preferences. We are going to get all the values that we are sending when user click on sort by through alert dialog. We are getting all the values in fetch media method through shared preferences. Get shared preferences, pass mypref and mode private, create string variable, name it as sort underscore value, preferences dot get string. Here we have to pass the key through which we are sending the value. The key is same, that is sort. Copy the key and paste it here. And also we have to write the text ABCD, any text. Now below the URI, here below the URI we have to create if statement. If sort value dot equals, if sort value, this variable, equals to the value of the first item that has the value sort name, copy sort name, paste it here. If the string variable sort value will be equal to the first item, then we will sort the video items according to name from A to Z, because the first item is from A to Z. Now for sorting the video items from A to Z, we have to first create the string variable that will be global variable, string, name it as sort order. We are going to use sort order here in if statement, in here sort order equals to media store dot media columns dot display name plus double quotes, give space and write ASC. By using this, video files will be in ascending order when user select first item. Now here else if sort value dot equals to the second value, that is size, and the value that we sending through shared preferences is this. Control C, sort size, paste it here. If user select the second option according to size, then we will sort the video items using media store dot media columns dot size plus in double quotes space DESC, stands for descending. Now here, else if sort value dot equals, the sort value equals to third, that is sort date, paste here, sort date. We're going to copy this line, paste it here. We have to change the size to date added, and here use else. In else statement we will sort the video files according to length, that is fourth option. Sort value is equal to media store. Here we have to use media store dot video dot media dot duration plus double quotes space DESC, stands for descending, and on the last, here we have to use sort order, not sort value, sort order. All these variables are sort order. Now we have to pass sort order here in sort order. Remove the null and pass sort order here. Here if you want to change the sort order from big to small to big, you can also change this from old to new and length from short to long. For changing all of this, you have to also change this ascending or descending order. Now we are done with all the code. Let's check the app, run app. Our app is installed. Let's open the app. Open any folder, click on menu, select first. This will refresh the video files. Second one, sort by. Here you can see the 4 options: name, size, date and length. Select first one, name from A to Z, click on OK. You can see the video files are sorted from A to Z. Select second one, from big to small. You can see the first video file is of 76.30 MB and the last 398 KB. Now select the third one, date, from new to old. Now you can see the new videos are showing on the top. From length, long to short. You can see the first video is of 6 minutes and 26 seconds and the last is 7 seconds. Hope you liked the video. That's it for now. In next tutorial we will continue working on video player. Until then, Allah Hafiz.